Finding new contacts and turning them into customers doesn't happen overnight. You need a little elbow grease to grow your business relationships. First, find out where your target audience is to determine which channels work best for discovering prospects. To do that, categorize all leads by source. Segmenting leads by source helps you figure out whether social media, events, word-of-mouth referrals, or other channels are most effective. Add custom URLs to help track leads on promotional products, in social media, emails, and more. Engage your prospects. To start, add prospects to a customer database so you can spot duplicates, compare channels, and track which prospects become customers. Next, create strong calls to action to encourage new contacts to engage with you. Give prospects something special for sharing their information, becoming a fan of your social channels, visiting your store, or completing another business interaction. The best way to motivate an action is to give them something special in return. For example, give a promotional product, such as a business card holder or charging cord, in exchange for signing up for your email newsletter. Or run a contest on social media to boost likes for your page. Offer a valuable promotional product as a prize, such as a high-quality backpack or air lounger. Both are great ways to open the door to new leads. Remember, the best calls to action are short and sweet, easy to spot, and use action words. After you've made the first introduction, it's time to turn those leads into sales. Send prospects sales, promotions, and newsletters. A time-sensitive discount is always a good way to spark a sale. If you've made a more personal connection, call to ask questions about their needs to decide how you can help. Reach out with a free marketing giveaway, such as a USB drive or travel mug, to continue building the business relationship. Keep in mind how far along each prospect is in your sales funnel. You may have to build a unique strategy tailored to the sales goals. Transforming a new contact to a sale doesn't happen overnight. Take the time to nurture the business relationship with these tips and promotional products, and you'll see it blossom.